Hi everyone, everything I'm about to explain has been validated by the mechanics in the shop where I'm at, so relax, we're almost there in solving it. If suddenly your dashboard shows the message, Parking Support Brake Malfunction, don't panic thinking your brakes have failed. What the car is basically saying is, my parking brake assist system isn't working properly, so be careful. It doesn't necessarily affect your normal brakes, but it does mean the automatic assistance that helps brake while parking may not be operating. The first cause many mechanics mention is dirty or blocked sensors. Mud, dust, snow, or even water droplets can prevent the sensors that detect obstacles from seeing properly, triggering the alert. That's why carefully cleaning the front and rear sensors is usually the first step, and surprisingly, many report that the light disappears almost immediately after doing so. Sometimes the message appears temporarily after hard starts or a pressure car wash, because the system detects odd readings and goes into defensive mode. In these cases, simply turning the car off and on again can make the message go away, at least until the real cause is identified. If the alert persists, it could be a more serious issue like damaged or misaligned sensors, loose wiring, or outdated module software. Mechanics agree that in these cases, a shop needs to run a diagnostic scan with specialized tools and, if necessary, perform a recalibration or software update. Another detail many mechanics notice is that the message sometimes appears alongside other alerts, like the check engine light or hybrid system warnings. This happens because the unit controlling the PKSB is connected to multiple car modules, and an error in one can drag the parking support brake message along. That's why checking all codes with an advanced OBD2 scanner can provide the full picture.